Okay, in this video we're going to talk about cause and effect as a text structure. Uh, we'll start off with a working definition. In this structure, it describes an event or action that is caused by another event or action. So as all the time when we're talking about text structure, we're looking at relationships between main ideas and details. So one way you can see a cause and effect structure is where your main idea is the cause and the details are the effects. That's what we'll focus on in this particular video. We'll look at the other option in a different video. So you can see that here textually or in this graphic organizer where my main idea is the cause and my details are the effects. Whenever I'm reading for text structure, I'm looking for signal words. The specific words clue me in for what kind of structure is being used and also what kind of detail I'm reading. So for cause, we'll see signal words such as because, for this reason, due to, cause of, since, if. If we're reading about effects, we may see as a result, consequently, since, therefore, in effect, resulting in, and the outcome is. There are certainly other signal words besides these, but these are some examples or some of the most common. So let's look at a sample passage. I'm going to get my highlighter out. And generally what I want to do, my strategy here is, as I'm reading, when I see a signal word, I'm going to highlight the signal word, not the detail, but just the signal word to clue me in. So cigarette smoking causes serious health problems. There's my signal word. A majority of lung cancer deaths are caused by smoking. Smoking can lead to other types of cancer as well. The more you smoke, the more risk you run of developing some form of cancer. Smoking can also result in heart disease. According to helpwithsmoking.com, more than 2,600 people each day die from some form of heart disease, which may have been caused by smoking. Smoking has many other harmful effects as well, such as stroke and high blood pressure. There is no doubt about the serious consequences of smoking. So normally I would be reading and nobody would tell me what kind of pattern I was reading or text structure, but I could see these signal words and then start to think, okay, cause and effect, so now I know what the important details are. And I can move it into this type of graphic organizer to take my notes. So my main idea is about cigarette smoking and what are the effects of cigarette smoking. So looking at my details, lung cancer can result in heart disease. Smoking may have other effects as well, such as stroke and high blood pressure. So these signal words help me to pick out the most important details. We'll always answer that question of underline or highlight what's most important. How do I know what's most important? The signal words and the text structure help me to figure that out. Okay, so this was just an introduction to cause as the main idea and details as the effects. Our next video will look at effects as the main idea.